Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMDC ka Kongres na Rambray, uba bajab pingrum, ulaong baudan ka jingkermen ka Bakraw, bakaseng Trinamool Congress, kabalayo besuk kli hapo ka Jilla Meghalaya, kan sayo bantau sorkar hausnem arhajar arpulai. Uba bajab ula kren bat penpau ya kani, haba ajing kren haka jingalang penkuburam ya uba Charles Pingrum, bala penlong haka nginingkong hawen demir umpling. Uni UMDC ka Kongres ulaong baka jingwan jong ka TMC kalong tangga jingsdang bad uyoi basuki-suki kipat ba ka jilla ken sa padiang yakani kaseng.
To the people of Aurangkneng, to the people of Nong Thumai, and to the state as a whole. And that is the reason I'm present here today, to come and felicitate him also. Yes, I am from the same clan, the Pomro clan, but I've come here because he has taught me so many things. Because there's a saying, real leaders, they don't create followers, but they create more leaders. And that is what Charles has given me, that space and opportunity in so many occasions, in various platforms, that he has taught me to lead other people as well. Sir, I wish you all the best for your new endeavor in the AITMC. May this party grow, because as we know, TMC is a secular party, and TMC, as you know, it represents temple, mosque, church. That means it respects all religion, and that's why I feel that the people of Meghalaya will also accept Trinamool Congress in the days to come. And as we see out here, all the well-wishers and supporters from the Nong Thumai constituency have come here today in this wonderful program. And looking at this support, I feel that this is the beginning of the TMC in Meghalaya, and yes, we will surely be able to form the government in 2023. And I have I want to wish all the best, sir, for being chosen as the party president of the All India Trinamool Congress. Yes, I would like to reveal to you all, because in the Congress party, I've been there, and when these in charge from the Congress party, they come to Meghalaya, the in charge of the party, they come and they seek our views from the MDCs, the MLAs. They seek our views that who should be the next party president. And as a legislator, I'm one of the youngest legislators in the state, but I feel that during that time also, we have given in writing that we supported Sir Charles Pomro, because we see in him that he's a very balanced person. He's not biased. He doesn't see a person, whether he has this much or he has that much, but he sees a person, he sees the qualities of a good leader. That is why I wish Sir all the best, and may you do well in the days and months to come, and may God bless you always and give you good health in the days to come.